Hello students, welcome to Sort of Such classes. The problem that we have today says that f is a function from closed minus 1 comma 1 to r defined by fx equal to x square plus box of sine pi x by 1 plus mod x where box of y denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to y. So now what we have to do is we basically have to check continuity at points minus 1, minus half, 0, 1 and half. So let us get started. Firstly, let us check at 0. At 0, what is limit x goes to 0 positive x square plus sine pi x by 1 plus mod x. Let us look at the graph of sine. So as x goes to 0 from the positive side, pi x also goes to 0 from the positive side. So sine pi x sine pi x is the box of it is also 0, and x square and mod x always goes to 0. So limit as x goes to 0 positive fx is equal to 0. Now what is limit x goes to 0 minus x square plus sine pi x box 1 plus mod x. Now as x goes to 0 from the negative side, pi x also goes to 0 from the negative side. In this case, however, box of sine pi x will be minus 1 because sine pi x goes to 0 but from the negative side. So this limit will be minus 1 and hence not continuous at 0. So from this calculation, clearly A is wrong. We start the process of elimination. Now let us check at minus half. Again drawing the graph at minus pi by 2, sine takes the value minus 1. So limit as x goes to minus half from the positive side fx is equal to, now x square would go to 1 by 4, mod x will go to half. There's no problem with that. The only problem is box sine pi x. Now as x goes to minus half, pi x goes to minus pi by 2 from the right side. So it is always greater than minus half, and so this is, before this let us just limit x goes to minus half sine pi x from the positive side. This is equal to minus 1. So we have 1 by 4 minus 1 by 1 plus half, which is equal to minus 3 by 4 by 3 by 4. It's equal to minus I beg your pardon, this is 3 by 2, so this is basically minus half. And limit x going to minus half from the negative side, sine pi x. What is this? So I'm saying when x goes to minus half, pi x goes to minus pi by 2 from the negative side. So it approaches minus 1, but it is always less than 0. So this is also equal to minus 1. Therefore limit x going to minus half from the negative side, f of x is also equal to minus half, and f of minus half is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 1 plus half, which is also minus half. So continuous at minus half. From this we can also deduce that C is wrong, because C says f is discontinuous at minus half. So next up what we do is we check at minus 1. At sorry, we'll check at half. So limit x going to half from the positive side, sine pi x, the box of it is, looking at the graph, this is pi by 2. So as x approaches pi by 2 from the left or the right side, I beg your pardon, as pi x approaches pi by 2, sine pi x approaches 1, but it is always less than 0, always less than 1 and greater than 0. So this is always equal to 0. Therefore limit x going to, also this is equal to limit, as I said, x goes to half minus sine pi x box. So this is limit x going to half fx is equal to 1 by 4 by 1 plus half. So that is 5 1 by 4 by 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 4 times 2 by 3, that's 1 by 6. And f of half, however, is 1 by 4 plus sine pi by 2, the box of sine pi by 2, which is 1 plus by 1 plus half, which is not equal to 1 plus 1 by 6. Therefore it is discontinuous at half. Therefore what we see from this is D is also a wrong option, and hence F is the correct answer that we can conclude even without checking at minus 1. B is correct. Thank you.